Good morning from our home in the Smokies. It's Ryan, and today is Valentine's Day. It's February 14th, 2025. Brie is about to take the girls off to a Valentine's Day skating party. Micah is going to stay home with me. We have a fence company coming to install a fence in our backyard, and the main reason why is we live out in the country, and we will have all sorts of different random dogs come flying through our yard. Since we got a brand new puppy, it's just going to give Brie some peace of mind. If we let the dog out the back of the house, it's going to be a little more protected with the fence. I know coyotes can still jump a fence or dogs could dig under a fence, but it's at least another level of barrier to kind of keep the dog protected if we let the dog out the back. I'm not so much worried about the dog running off that we need to keep it within a fence. We're going to continue to work with the dog, train the dog, and I don't think that will be an issue. However, just to give peace of mind that we can just open up the back door, let the dog out, and there's not going to be a random bigger dog that we sometimes get. At one point, we had a dozen chickens in our backyard with a mobile coop that I could move around and a fence that I could kind of move around. And one afternoon, just some random dogs came onto our property and just killed about half of them. So with that being said, it's just going to give us some peace of mind to put in this new fence. So I'll kind of show you the before and after of our fence. And once the fence is complete, we'll bring out our new puppy Primrose to let her run around and play. So I figured I'd just hit record so you can see a little before and after of our backyard vinyl fence that we're getting installed, and just hang out with us and our puppy for a little bit on this video. So without further ado, let the home adventure begin. So the fence should come up to this corner as close as it can. We have all these strawberry bushes that have just gone crazy. We put a couple in and they've just taken over, but we live on 10 acres and I could go way down into the woods, but I know the longer I go, it's going to get pretty expensive. So I have a flag marked off right here that I felt like would give us a pretty good section, and the fence should butt up to this other corner of the house. We have another flag marked down here. However, when we've been taking our dog Primrose outside, she's been attacking this flag, so it's taken a beating, but it should give us a pretty good amount of backyard fence. And the fence guys are pulling up right now. This is one of those projects I considered doing myself. However, when Brie and I looked at the cost of materials and my time, we felt like, let's get someone who knows what they're doing and is going to make it nice and straight and save me time. Time is money, and these guys over at Sevierville Fence, which is how they pronounced it, had great reviews. One thing that I might try to accomplish while they are working on the fence is to get this basketball hoop back up. I have tried to get the standard little stand here to be tied down. We get such bad wind up here that it has finally fallen. I said, I'm done with this thing. I think I can get a really good hole dug and get a 4x4 post and put it in here. So I might try to work on that and see if we can get our basketball hoop back up and running, especially if they end up with some extra concrete mix, and I can piggyback off the job they're doing and maybe get our basketball hoop back up. So these guys have just gotten started. It is currently 10:15 in the morning. I'm curious to see how fast they're able to get up this fence. So while they're working on the fence, Mike and I are going to work on getting the basketball hoop back up. So I'm trying to get rid of this old base, which is really heavy. It's filled with water, and Micah is just having fun going to town drilling holes, and he's like, are you sure? Can I drill a bunch of holes? And I said, go ahead, Micah, drill, baby, drill. So while we work on getting the basketball hoop, I'm gonna set up a camera and let you watch a time lapse of them getting the fence up in the backyard. So it's currently 5:45. The owner of Sevierville Fence has come out to make sure that the job is done correct. Unfortunately, in the loading process, there's two top pieces that didn't get loaded somehow. So they're gonna try to come back tomorrow, if not tomorrow, first thing Monday, to finish the fence job. But so far so good. We've got a ton of blueberries on the side of the house here, and this is a whole giant strawberry patch. So I'm gonna have to cut into the strawberry patch so we can walk in and out of where this gate will be. So I'll have to show you the gate once it is complete, again, either tomorrow or Monday. As far as our basketball hoop, Micah was very helpful to help me dig a really deep hole, and I've got a nice 4x4 post. So I need to get some more concrete. I used a little bit of residual concrete from the fence, but I'm going to go ahead and just concrete this whole area, so when I mow the yard, I can just mow right around it and I don't need to edge up along the basketball hoop. So Brie and the girls are still out at a roller skating party. I don't really want to call her and ask her to pick up and carry home 40-pound bags of concrete. So I'll get some more, get this filled in, and then somehow, perhaps with some help of the kids, get this lifted up and put in place. So I'll try to show you the finished fence and basketball hoop in just a little bit. But until we get those jobs done, I think we need to take Miss Prim outside. You want to come outside? All right. Hello. You've had some crate time while Mike and I were outside doing some work. Do you want to come outside for just a little bit? Miss Primrose? Yeah, come on, follow me. Let's go outside. Let's go out the front yard since they're working on the backyard with your new fence. All right, follow you. Come on. Oh, did you find a piece of wood? Come here. No, drop it. Give me that. No, drop it, drop it. All right, come on. Come on. I have it. Look, it's over here. No, over here. Come on. Let's go downstairs. Come on, let's go outside. Look what I got. Oh, look what I got. No, you're a puppy and so easily distracted. Come here. All right, I gotta pick you up. Let's take my wood cart and go chop some wood. Come on, follow me. Come on, let's go chop wood. Come on. Come on, let's go chop some wood while we got some sun. Get that puppy energy out. I have a bunch of wood that I keep over in this section of our property. Yeah, you come and hang out with me when I'm doing projects around the house. The cats would never do that. You gonna be my wood chopping helper? Come on. Look at all this wood you can come chew on. Come here. Yeah, there's a good area to play. All right, I'm gonna chop a few pieces, all right? Don't go off too far. Come here. She's running off. Primrose. Come here, Primrose. Prim. Well, puppy is running off. I gotta go get her. So I'm gonna leave Miss Primrose with Micah while I go chop some more wood before Brie and the girls get home. So we'll finish up the video once the fence is done, and we'll bring out Miss Primrose to the backyard. See what she thinks. Huh? What do you think? Did you get a piece of wood? No? You're looking for my little wood pieces. All right, I think you got a lot of energy. You should go play with Micah. So it's been a few days and Micah helped me get this 4x4 into the ground. I've got some more concrete that I'm gonna pour around the base, and then I'm gonna slide over the basketball hoop. So we're gonna do that for another day. It's just been really cold, but they have been able to complete the fence and add a gate over here. We could have gotten a dark color that would have matched our cabin. However, it would have been about 2 times as expensive. So we were fine to go with this Adobe color, which wasn't too far off from this secondary color of our garage doors. Not perfect match, but close enough. Let me go back here and see what Prim thinks of it. I still got to work on our little berry garden area so we can walk in and out. Here's the other side of the gate. Just a little push mechanism. So works pretty good. Nice vinyl. Again, I could have gotten wood, would have been cheaper, but this will be a lot easier as far as maintenance. It's a little odd to look down and not see all the way down to the edge of our property into the woods. Sometimes we've gotten bears and deer and turkey. So the downside is we won't be able to see anything down at the tree line walking by from our back patio, but our dog will be much better protected if we just let her out back here and give her some time to run around and play. It's a pretty good sized backyard area for the dog to come back here and run around. I keep our mower under the patio back here, so we have this double gate that we can open up to get things like a mower in and out. Pretty simple to get the gate open and closed. I'm just gonna keep it closed. Let me go grab Primrose and let her run around back here. What do you think of your new backyard? Your fenced in backyard? Lots of room to run around. Where'd you go? You like your new fenced in backyard? Where'd you go? And we have these blueberry bushes over here that produce so many blueberries. I'm gonna try to add some more blueberry plants this spring, as well as some more fruit trees, and got lots of work to do on our garden. I'll have to show you some updates of our garden. What are you doing? Are you going through the strawberry bushes? What you doing? She's battling a strawberry bush over here. Prim, what are you doing, Prim? What are you doing? She is definitely in puppy mode. Everything easily distracts her and is a toy. But she has been a great little Goldendoodle for our family. And I am glad that we have some peace of mind, that we have this fence now to keep her nice and safe as we're out in the mountains here in the Smokies. And again, we get all sorts of coyotes all around our house, bears and foxes, all different things, hawks even, all different types of predators that often are caught on our camera around our cabin here in the Smokies. So I know Brie has a lot more peace of mind that Prim will be safer. Hey, what you doing? Are you helping me get the strawberry bush cleared out over here by the gate? Leave it. And she's off. Yeah, I think she officially likes her fenced-in backyard. I think she just likes coming over here by the post and playing with the rocks. What are you doing? Prim? What you doing? Oh, and she's off. Oh. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. Just wanted to give you a look at the process of getting our vinyl fence installed. So far, so good. We do get a lot of wind up here in the mountains, and hopefully it will hold up. If it doesn't, Maryville Fence is great about coming out and fixing anything. They do offer a warranty, so hopefully we won't ever have to use it. And Primrose here will be a lot safer when she comes to hang out in the backyard with the kids. Oh, hello. You got doggy breath. But just wanted to give you a quick look at the process of getting our fence installed. But I'm gonna go clean off this puppy's paws and head inside. I hope you guys have enjoyed hanging out with us at this little video at home for today, checking out our new fence and the process of getting a vinyl fence installed. But that's gonna wrap up this video. Maybe you'll see Prim on an upcoming video going somewhere fun out in the Smokies. So until next time, we'll see you on the next adventure.